On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money using Google Translate. This method is very easy for beginners, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to learn how to use Google Translate. Google Translate is a tool from Google that you can use to translate any language for free. You are not required to pay for anything. When I click right here, you can see many languages that you can select and then translate any text that you want. You can see right here it is English, and when you come here you can see German. If you don't want German, you can click on it and then select any of these languages that you want. I'm going to demonstrate for you to see how it can translate text. So let me just paste a text right here. You can see what is affiliate marketing. This is in English, and you can see right here it has translated it to German. You can see this is the text. This is the English version. You can see this is the translation. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using it to make money online. We are going to use Google Translate as a tool that can help us to make money with CPA marketing. Once you learn how to use Google Translate, the next step is that you are going to join a CPA network that you can find offers to promote using Google Translate. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account with CPA Group or any CPA network that you know. Once you create your accounts, assuming you are using CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on the Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. All these offers are CPA offers. Therefore, you do not require any sales to earn money promoting these offers. All that you need to do is that you have to get a lead, and you are going to be paid based on the payout. This offer, for example, you are going to be earning $3.16 anytime you get people to enter their mobile numbers to stand a chance of winning £500. It is just simple as that. So you don't need any sales. All that you need is a lead, and you are going to be paid. CPA offers are geo-specific, so all these offers that you are seeing, you have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom. If you don't want to promote offers in the United Kingdom, what you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards and then select a different country. So you are going to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. In this case, we are going to search for Germany. So just search for Germany. Once you search for it, you can see Germany right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offers are loading. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Germany. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see many of them. You can see this offer right here. If you promote it and then get people in Germany to click on your link and then enter their credit card details, you are going to be paid $23.53. There are a lot of offers with higher payout that you can promote to people who live in Germany. So there are a lot of them. But the challenge is that if you promote an offer that requires credit card submit, you are not going to get a lot of people to enter their credit card details. Most people are afraid to enter their credit card details online because of fraud. You are not going to get many people to enter their credit card details for you to earn the money. So it doesn't matter the payout. You have to get an offer that is easy for your potential visitors to enter their details for you to earn the money. So in this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see the payout is $4.45. You can see the requirement is pin submit. The offer is available on Android. It is available on Apple iOS. It is available on desktop. So any of these devices that our potential visitors is using, they are qualified to win the offer, and we are going to be paid $4.45. To promote the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the offer, you're going to see a page like this. This is the image of the offer. Here is your affiliate link. So you have to get people in Germany to click on this link and then enter their mobile numbers so that you can earn $4.45. You can see this is the title of the offer. If you don't understand German, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy it so that you can use Google Translate to translate it to any language that you understand. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is an image of the offer. This is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Germany to click on your link and then enter their mobile number so that you can earn $4.45. You can see this is the title of the offer. If you don't understand German, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy it so that you can use Google Translate to translate it to any language that you understand. So I'm going to highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, let me use Google Translate to translate it for you to see. So we are on Google Translate. Let me just delete this text. So I'm going to change it. Just click right here. Once you change it, you can see German right here and you can see English here. So you are going to paste the text so that it can be translated. As you can see, this is the text and you can see right here, this is the translation. Access unlimited fantasy books. So our potential visitors, when they enter their mobile numbers, they are going to get access to unlimited fantasy books and we are going to earn $4.45. So now once you know what the offer is about, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link and get people who live in Germany to enter their mobile numbers for you to earn $4.45. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using a website that can help us to get people who live in Germany to click on our link. We are going to be using this website called Zing.com. This website is based in Germany. So most of the people who visit this website live in Germany. So we can get the right people to click on our link if you promote our link on this website. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the website gets up to 14.4 million visits every month. So let me scroll down to show you the traffic source. As I scroll down, you can see right here 82.87% of the people who visit the website live in Germany. You can see the second is Austria, the third is Switzerland, the fourth is India, and you can see Turkey. Majority of the people who visit the website live in Germany, so we are going to use it to promote our affiliate link so that we can get people who live in Germany to click on our link and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to unlimited fantasy books, and we are going to be paid $4.45. So now the next step is that you are going to sign up for an account so that you can promote your link on this website. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your details so that you can create a free account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you how you can use this website to promote your affiliate link. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this website, it works like other social media platforms. You can see right here, you can post a job or you can find a job on this website. You can send messages to other members on this website. You can make friends with other people on this website. If you want, you can also create a post onto the platform so that you can reach out to other people. They have the premium version and the basic version. You can see mine is a basic version. If you want, you can buy the premium version. But in this case, we don't need the premium version. We just need the free version so that we can use it to promote our affiliate link. To promote your affiliate link on this website, what you have to do is that you have to make a post. As I scroll, you can see many people have posted things on this platform and they are getting views. You can see a lot of different posts on this website. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are also going to be making a post so that we can drive traffic to our affiliate link. To make a post, you are going to click right here, post. Once you click on it, you can write your message and then post it onto this platform. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to make a post inviting people to click on our link and then get access to unlimited fantasy books. So we are going to be using ChatGPT to write a simple post for us so that we can invite people to click on our link. So you can type a prompt on ChatGPT and it's going to write a simple message for you so that you can post it onto the platform. So we are going to write something like, write a post inviting people to click on a link to get access to unlimited fantasy books, something like this. Just write a simple prompt like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on send so that you can write the post for you. You can see it is writing the post. As you can see, it is writing the post. You can see it has finished writing the post. So now the next step is that we are going to highlight and then copy this post. So you are going to highlight and copy this message. Just highlight and then copy the message. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. But in this case, we can post the message like this because we are targeting people who live in Germany. So the people who live in Germany speak German. So we are going to translate it to German so that we can get the right people to understand our message and then take the action for us to make money. So we are going to delete the post. Just delete it. Delete it. Once you delete it, we are going to use Google Translate to translate the message for you. So you are going to come back on Google Translate, paste your message right here. Once you paste it, you can see it has been translated. So now you can copy the translated message and then post it onto the platforms. Once you scroll down, click on this box right here, click on it. Once you click on it, it has been copied. Once you copy your message, you can now paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just forget of the red lines, forget of everything. Once you have pasted your message, the next step is that you are going to insert your link. You can see link, you have to insert your link right here. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. You have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click on shorten URL so that you can shorten your affiliate link. As you can see, your link has been shortened, so click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you can see link. You are going to insert your affiliate link right here, so just delete this. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see the link has been pasted right here. Once that is done, you are going to arrange the text well. So let me just arrange it properly. Just ignore the red lines, ignore everything, because it's a different language. That is why you are seeing red lines in the text. So just ignore everything. Just ignore everything and arrange it well. As you can see, the text has been properly arranged. You can see right here link. You are also going to insert the same link right here. So just delete this and then insert your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once you insert your affiliate link, when you scroll down right here, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the domain right here. When people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to choose whether you want to post it public or you want to post it yourself. So when you click on it, you can see private. That means you want to post it to only your friends. If you select public, it means anyone on this platform can see your post. In this case, you want it public, so just leave it public. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, post, so that you can reach out to many people on the platform. Once you click on post, your post has been sent. But because we are using the free version, you are not going to see your post. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, view all visitors and statistics. Once you click on that, you can see your statistics. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is the number of visits that I got in the last 7 days. If you want full details, you have to sign up for the premium version so that you can get full details and your post. But in this case, we just need people to click on our link and then enter their details for us to earn money, so you can be using the free version. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.